friends. My name is Devdutt Deepak, and today I'm here to talk to you about a concept that we all encounter in life: setbacks. At some point in our lives, each of us will face challenges or setbacks that seem insurmountable. However, it is crucial to understand that this is how life works, filled with unexpected challenges and setbacks. It's not these setbacks which define us, but how we respond to them. Setbacks are a natural part of life's journey. From Thomas Alva Edison to J.K. Rowling, history is full of individuals who faced various obstacles, yet their determination and resilience helped them push forward. Thomas Alva Edison, for instance, failed over 10,000 times before successfully inventing the light bulb. We wouldn't be able to imagine the world today if he had given up. The key to rising above setbacks is resilience. Resilience is like a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it gets. Each setback brings valuable lessons that pave the road towards future success. Take a moment and reflect. Has there ever been a time when you faced a setback? Maybe an exam, or maybe in sports. Maybe you didn't get the grade you hoped for, or missed scoring on a goal. It's in these moments of disappointment that we should analyze what went wrong and approach the situation differently next time. In addition, it is also important to seek support. Talk to teachers, parents, or friends who can offer guidance and encouragement. Sharing your experiences can provide new perspectives and motivate you to keep pushing forward. In conclusion, setbacks are not the end of the road, but rather stepping stones towards success. Embrace them, learn from them, and continue pushing forward with determination and resilience. Let each setback be a testament to your strength and capability. Thank you.